Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the list methods. Okay. So what exactly a difference between a method and a function? So basically, whenever a function is associated with a class, it becomes a method. Okay. So in this video, we will discuss about three methods: append items, insert items, and extend items. Okay. So let's see that one by one. So for example, what I want to add mango to our fruits array. So how we can do that? We can do that. So by using fruits and then a dot. And then as you can see inside of the VS Code, we are having many of these methods. Okay. So we are interested in the append method. So append, and then we can do something like mango. Okay. All right. So now if I just print the fruits, so let's see what we get. So we are getting this ones, and then at the end we are getting mango. So to add an item to the end of the list, we use the append method. Okay. So for example, here we want to add multiple things at once. So how we can do that? So let's add something like a kiwi. Okay. So if I just run the program right now, we are getting an error. So what exactly we are seeing here? So list.append takes exactly one argument and we are giving it 2. So let's convert that to a list. Okay. So let's convert that to a list. All right. So if I just run the program right now, we will not get an error. But see what exactly is happening? This entire list is appended. Okay. So this is not good, right? So how we can fix this one? So we can fix that. So I will just copy this one. Okay. We can fix this one by using another method, which is the extend method. So to append elements from another list to the current list, we use the extend method. So what we can do here, we can just comment out this one, and I will just add here mango. Okay. All right. And I will comment out this one, and instead of append, we will do extend. Okay. All right. If I now run the program, apple, banana, cherry, orange, mango, and kiwi. Okay. So in this way, we can extend our list in Python. Also, we can add another variable as well. So I can do something like small or second fruit list equals to something like this. Okay. And we can do the second fruit list here. This works as well. Okay. So we can just pass the raw value, or we can add the variable as well. All right. So now how we can insert one element inside of the list at a given index. So how we can do that? To do that, we are having another method, which is the insert method. Okay. So to insert a list item at a specified index, we use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. Okay. So let's do something like this. So what we can do fruits dot insert. Okay. And this insert method, as you can see, takes two things: the index and the object. Okay. So what exactly is the index? So I want to just insert at the one index. Okay. And I want to insert mango. All right. So what is the one index right now? 0, 1. So we will add the mango here. So mango, and we will have the rest of the list something like this. Okay. So if I just get rid of this one and run the program right now, as you can see, we are getting apple, mango, banana, cherry, and orange. Okay. Awesome. So this is how we can insert the element at a given index. So right now you might be thinking like, okay, so let's add 0. So if I just do that, then mango will be the first element, which is good. But what about the last element? How we can do that? We can do that by using the len function. So len of fruits. Okay. Now if I just run the program, as you can see here, this insert method works just like the append method, right? So it is now inserting at the end of our list. Okay. So this is the insert method. So I will just do something like 1, or let's do 2. Okay. As you can see, apple, banana, and then mango, cherry, orange. Okay. Awesome. So in this video, we have learned about 3 different methods: append method, insert method, and the extend method. And all of these methods are used to insert item inside of a list. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss how we can remove one or more items from a list. Okay. Awesome.